Hey everyone, I'll be showing you top 8 AI email assistants in 2024. Today, we are diving into the realm of AI email assistants, the game changers that are revolutionizing the way we manage our inboxes. With the advent of AI email assistants, drafting an email has become more efficient and hassle-free than ever before. These intelligent virtual assistants are here to take the stress out of your inbox, helping you prioritize, automate, and respond intelligently. From busy professionals to entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even students, AI email assistants are making waves across a diverse range of demographics. But how exactly are they transforming our email experience? Stick around as we explore the top AI email assistants in the market and uncover their unique features that are changing the email game. Whether you are a professional juggling a hectic work schedule, a business owner looking to streamline marketing efforts, or a student aiming for inbox organization, these AI email assistants have got you covered. They can automate tasks, prioritize messages, and provide quick and intelligent responses, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. And guess what? They can even compose and send emails on your behalf, saving you precious time in the fast-paced digital age. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at some of the best AI email assistants available in the market. Join us as we explore their standout features and how they are making a difference in the lives of professionals, business owners, and students alike. So if you're ready to revolutionize the way you handle your emails, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let us dive into the world of AI email assistants. Stay tuned and let us get started. Our first contender on the list is Flowride, a dynamic AI email assistant with impressive features, boasting browser compatibility and a library of smart templates. Flowride delivers an intuitive user interface that enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of email and message composition. Its seamless integration with popular web browsers, coupled with a diverse array of smart templates, simplifies the process of crafting both common and personalized messages. Users have the flexibility to create their own smart templates, providing a personalized touch to their communications. Flowride further stands out with its tone selector feature, enabling users to select the appropriate tone for their messages, ranging from casual to formal to respectful, preventing potential miscommunications. On the positive side, Flowride offers a convenient Chrome extension, integration with over 20 sites including LinkedIn, and a collection of AI-powered email templates tailored for various purposes like sales, marketing, and recruiting. However, it is essential to note some drawbacks such as its orientation towards enterprise customers, the absence of a dedicated mobile app for on-the-go messaging, and potential pricing constraints that might be prohibited for individual users. Our second standout on the list is Laender, an AI sales email coaching platform powered by the formidable GPT-3. Laender takes email communication to the next level by combining deep learning on email data with behavioral psychology to craft and enhance outgoing messages, all with the ultimate goal of boosting reply rates. Recently securing an impressive $13.2 million in funding for further development, Laender introduces innovative features like the Start My Email, leveraging generative AI to compose impactful outbound emails based on a few bullet points. It goes beyond mere drafting by considering the context of email threads to suggest responses to incoming messages. Laender comes equipped with a range of advantages, including the coaching dashboard that provides a comprehensive overview of team and individual email scores, open rates, reply rates, and writing time. The personalization assistant stands out by researching email recipients to suggest personalized introductions for emails. Moreover, Lavender's integration capabilities extend to popular platforms like Gmail, Outlook, Outreach, LinkedIn, and more. However, it is important to be aware of potential drawbacks, such as the pricing, which might be on the higher side and could pose challenges for some individual users. Nevertheless, Lavender's innovative approach to email coaching backed by GPT-3 makes it a compelling option for those aiming to enhance their email communication effectiveness. Our third contender on the list is Mime, an AI email assistant designed to enhance team organization with a host of features. Notably, Mime has recently incorporated OpenAI's GPT technology, elevating its capabilities to generate contextually relevant replies, translate messages, and set the appropriate tone for emails, all within the app. What sets Mime apart is its customization option, allowing users to tailor the AI code using their own prompts to meet specific needs. A standout feature of this integration involves providing the AI with company-specific data, significantly enhancing its ability to generate responses that are not contextually relevant but also improve the overall quality of communication with clients. Mime offers various advantages, including numerous convenient features that streamline email communication and workflow for teams. For those eager to give it a try, a free 30-day trial is available. However, it is crucial to be aware of some potential drawbacks. Utilizing the OpenAI integration requires a subscription to the productive plan, priced at $18 per month. Additionally, users will need an OpenAI account and will incur pay-per-usage charges. Despite these considerations, Mime stands out as a powerful tool for teams aiming to optimize their email communication and workflow. Our fourth feature on the list is Superflows, an AI-powered email assistant designed to revolutionize inbox management. Superflows takes efficiency to the next level by offering users one-click, AI-generated reply options customized to their workflows and tone of voice. With each incoming email, Superflows presents a variety of intelligently generated response options, allowing users to respond promptly without the hassle of copying and pasting information from the external sources. A notable advantage of Superflows is its adaptability, with the AI learning to match your writing style in both replies and newly composed emails. This personalized touch enhances the overall user experience. Currently available for free, Superflows brings convenience to email communication. However, it is important to consider a couple of limitations. Superflows, while providing a Chrome extension for enhanced accessibility, is limited to integration with Gmail and cannot be extended to other email clients or platforms. Additionally, it may not cater to the needs of enterprise customers. Despite these considerations, Superflow stands out as a valuable tool for individuals looking to streamline their email responses with AI-generated suggestions tailored to their unique preferences. Our fifth contender on the list is Superhuman. Renowned for its rapid and user-friendly interface, Superhuman goes beyond the basics, offering a suite of features, including shortcuts and advanced search capabilities that empower users to swiftly locate the information they need. Setting itself apart, Superhuman leverages AI to assist users in prioritizing the emails. The AI engine predicts the importance of emails to the users, ensuring crucial messages are surfaced at the top of the inbox. Additionally, Superhuman provides personalized coaching and training sessions to help users unlock the potential of the tool, maximizing efficiency. Superhuman's advantages include the innovative split inbox feature, which automatically triages incoming emails for better organization. The email assistant goes a step further by incorporating social insights from platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, aiding users in expanding their network and connections. However, it is important to note that Superhuman does not offer a free plan, and its compatibility is restricted to Gmail and Outlook. Additionally, pricing might be a consideration for some individual users. Despite these factors, Superhuman remains a powerful tool for those seeking a fast, intuitive, and AI-driven email experience, especially if Gmail or Outlook is their primary email platform. But before we move on, if you're excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit the subscribe button on our channel. We'll discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving into the complex realm of technology. Our sixth feature on the list is Scribble, an AI-powered email assistant designed to enhance communication for busy professionals. Scribble stands out by providing context-specific content suggestions that sound natural, offering a time-saving solution to improve the overall quality of communication. With Scribble, users have the flexibility to choose an intention that best aligns with how they want to respond to an email. Alternatively, they can provide context for the email assistant to draft a response. The tool also offers multiple response options, assisting users in making informed decisions based on the specific situation at hand. Scribble brings several advantages to the table, including a free plan for users to explore its capabilities. The availability of a Chrome extension adds to its accessibility, allowing users to seamlessly integrate it into their email or Gmail workflow. The user-friendly interface further enhances the overall experience. However, it is important to note that Scribble is currently limited to working with Gmail, which may be a consideration for users utilizing other email platforms. Despite this limitation, Scribble proves to be a valuable asset for professionals seeking an AI-powered email assistant with natural-sounding content suggestion and a user-friendly interface. Our seventh feature on the list is Tuon, an innovative AI-powered email assistant designed to simplify the process of generating educational and promotional emails for businesses. Tuon's approach is straightforward. Users input a URL or topic, and the AI takes charge, auto-generating emails tailored to the specific needs and interests of the business. Users can then select their preferred emails from the generated options and send them out. Tuon caters to the needs of busy professionals, content creators, and copywriters, offering a streamlined solution for email content creation. As a relatively new player in the market, Tuon is currently in beta, with an exciting roadmap ahead. Planned features include Facebook and YouTube ad copy generation and the ability to generate emails in the style of users' favorite business gurus. The advantages of Tuon include its free-to-use model and the diversity of emails generated for users to choose from. However, being in beta, Tuon may not have as many features as other established AI email assistants currently available. Despite its beta status, Tuon emerges as a promising tool for businesses seeking an AI-powered email assistant that simplifies the email content generation process, making it particularly suitable for professionals in need of a quick and efficient solution. Our eighth and final feature on the list is AI Mailer, a dynamic tool aimed at revolutionizing email communication for both businesses and professionals. Harnessing the power of GPT and NLP technology, AI Mailer excels in crafting personalized, high-quality emails that are context-aware and engaging. This innovative assistant ensures timely and personalized responses to customer inquiries, providing a valuable solution for enhancing communication. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, AI Mailer boasts a customizable interface and multilingual support, ensuring a seamless experience for a diverse user base. Its applications extend to customer service teams looking to improve response times and personalize interactions with customers. Moreover, students and professionals can leverage AI Mailer to elevate the overall quality of their email communication. Among its advantages, AI Mailer offers a free-to-use model, eliminating financial barriers for users looking to enhance their email communication. The tool provides a range of tones to choose from, allowing users to tailor their emails to different contexts. However, it is essential to consider a couple of limitations. AI Mailer is a fully web-based tool, lacking email client integrations, which might be a drawback for users seeking seamless integration with their existing email platforms. Additionally, compared to other established AI email assistants, AI Mailer may offer fewer features. And there you have it, everyone. The world of AI email assistants is truly transforming the way we manage our communications, whether you are a part of a sales team, a student, or a busy professional. These intelligent assistants are here to make your life a whole lot easier. For sales teams, it is all about identifying and prioritizing leads, gaining insights into customer behavior, and crafting personalized email content. Students can now breeze through coursework, deadlines, and even get suggestions for those follow-up emails to professors or classmates. And busy professionals, you are in for a treat. Automating routine tasks, composing responses, and gaining insights into your email habits is just the beginning. So whether you are navigating the sales process, acing your exams, or simply trying to tame the overflowing inbox, AI email assistants are your secret weapon. They are not just tools, they are your sidekick in the digital age, helping you work smarter, stay organized, and achieve your goals with greater efficiency and ease. Have you tried these AI email assistants? Or are there others you are eager to test out? Feel free to share your experiences and recommendations in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this content, and subscribe for more insights into the latest advancements in AI. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and we cannot wait to engage with you in our upcoming videos. Until then, stay tuned for more exciting updates.